Guys, it's me, Scooby Nubia, and we've found a chicken. Oh, I can't even zoom in. Oh, that's right.
We'll go close and run if it comes. Is it even on it?
You guys cannot see it yet, but if you can see that.
I don't want to go close to it.
See that?
Hey, look at it.
Hello there. This is very... No, don't.
That looks ugly, that.
That's just stared at us. And yes, we do not have a clue what this is. I'm just trying to get a bit of view for you guys. I'm very, very scared.
I wouldn't get too close.
Can you see that right there? Like, that's just staring at me. And this is very scary, guys.
It was just sitting there.
Oh shit. I'm just gonna step a bit back.
This is cool.
This is very creepy. And guys, I'm just trying to focus on this chicken thing. And yes, don't forget like and subscribe if you're new, turn on notifications. And yes, that's all I wanted to say. And like, have you seen that? Have you seen it? It is creepy. It's fuck. Something?
No,
I'm gonna chuck something. What the fuck?
Don't hide it. Get ready to stand. Don't.
Okay, that missed. This is so scary. Oh, shit. This is super scary.
No, this is actually shit.
Okay, guys, this is all for that video. Hope you enjoyed. And yes, see you next time.